Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana Nicole. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. The first thing I'm going to be doing is using the Got To Be glue in the yellow bottle and putting that on my edges to get them out of the way and the blow drying them back. And then we're going to put the stocking cap on and then making sure that the hair is secure. Next, I'm taking 91% rubbing alcohol and cleaning up my hairline. Now I'm taking the Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard and spraying that all over the front of my head. Then blowing drying it till it's completely dry. Right here, I'm just seeing how the wig fits and looks on my head. I'm just pinning the hair back to get ready to glue the lace down. I'm using a watermelon scented adhesive. First layer, I'm spreading the product evenly around my hairline. Try not to get it in your hair. And then it's on to the next layers. I did 3 in total. Now I'm showing you guys how beautiful the glue just melts down and turns clear right away. Once the glue has completely turned clear, it's time to apply that lace. I'm just taking my comb to really adhere that lace down. Now I'm tying it up and sitting under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I take the head wrap off and comb the hair into place. Next, I'm just taking the hot comb and making the bang more flatter. I'm also going to straighten it, and then I'm going to use the hot comb to flatten the rest of the hair. Then using makeup on my parts to look more like my scalp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And see you next time.